What's up guys, thank you. So Samsung has a new smartwatch which we expect it will unveil at its Unpacked event in a few weeks. Originally thought to be the Galaxy Watch Sport, new details have revealed it will actually launch as the Galaxy Watch Active. The Galaxy Watch Active has the model number SMR 500, which seems to be lower than that of the Gear Sport. It is fitted with 1.3 inches display and is powered by an Exynos 9110 processor. It also has a speaker and a 230 mAh battery. The Galaxy Watch Active will have an LTE model. There is even a report of a dual eSIM model. The watch has a heart rate sensor. It has a glove mode, Bixby Assistant, back and menu buttons, and even a gyroscope. The Galaxy Watch Active will be available in silver, blue, black, and gold colors, and Samsung is expected to officially unveil the Galaxy Watch Active at its 2019 Galaxy Unpacked event on February 20.